Hi friends, I just bought this carrying case for my Osmo 7P, DJI Osmo 7P gimbal. When you buy the gimbal, you get this bag and these cables and these accessories, okay? And when you buy the mini microphone to pair it with the multifunction module, you also get this bag. So I think it's a lot of stuff to carry with you. This carrying case, it's really useful because it will hold everything that you need on the go. Okay, first, the gimbal, you just store it here. Really easy. It has this small hole here for the microphone also. And this mesh section where you can store, of course, the cables or even some other stuff, like for example, I have two cell phones. This one is only for filming, so I could store it there and bring it with me, okay? As you can see, it's really, really convenient, really nicely sized, and also you get this shoulder strap. So it's also so useful because if you are going to be filming or working on the go in the field, you can bring the case with you and you can be working, filming using your gimbal, and the bag will be just with you really conveniently, okay? So if you have this kind of gimbal, the DJI Osmo 7P, this carrying case, even with the extra microphone, this carrying case is so convenient. The gimbal stores itself with all the accessories, so you just have to arrive where you are going to work and start filming. Really, really easy. Okay? So, great option for you. Thank you.